Welcome to everyone. I am R. Madhumati, MCA MPhil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we see about function concept in programming in C. So what is mean by function? Function is a self-contained block of codes, that is set of statement that can perform particular task. Function can be classified into two categories. One is library function or predefined function. Another one is user-defined function. So what is mean by predefined functions? Already created functions are known as predefined function or library functions. That is built-in functions are called as predefined function. For example, we can use mathematical function, that is square root, power, so etc. The next one is string function. strlen, strcmp, these are string functions. These are example of predefined or built-in or library function. So second one is user-defined function. What is mean by user-defined functions? It is created by user purpose. These user-defined functions can have three elements. One is function definition, function call, function declaration. These three elements are very important in user-defined function. So first one is element of function definition. This function definition can have two parts. One is function header, another one is function body. In function header, three elements are have function type, function name and list of parameters. These three are known as function header. Then next one is local variable declaration, function statement and return statement. These three are known as function body. Then function header and function body is important for function definition elements. So general format of function definition. So function type, that is a return type. Next one is function name, within bracket list of parameters, that is arguments. So within open and close brace we have three parts, that is variable declaration, function statement, return statement, that is function body. The first one is function type, name and argument list are known as function header. The within open and close brace, the three elements are here, variable declaration, function statement, return statement. These three are function body. So this is a general format of function definition. So next element is function call. So function call can be called by simply using the function name followed by list of actual parameters, that is the list of arguments. General format of function call. Just mention only function name within bracket parameter list, that is argument, end with semicolon. This is a general format of function call. That is another element is function declaration. This function declaration is also known as function prototype. The function declaration consists of four parts. One is function type, function name, parameter list, last one is semicolon. General format for function declaration is function type, function name, within bracket, parameter list, end with semicolon. Then function definition and function declaration are similar. Function declaration is end with semicolon, but definition is contain full statement, that is within open and close brace declaration, function statement and return statements are here. This is the major difference between function definition and function declaration. This is the basic three elements of user defined function. So next one is category of user defined functions. Four categories are available for user defined function. First one is function with no argument and no return value. That means we cannot pass any argument from main to subfunction. Same, any return values are cannot pass from subfunction to main function. This is known as with no argument and no return values. So second category is function with argument and no return value. This is the function can pass argument from main function to subfunction but cannot receive any return value from subfunction to main function. So third one is function with no argument and with return value. In this category, cannot pass any argument from main function to subfunction but can pass value from subfunction to main function. So last one is function with argument and with return value. This category we can pass value from main to subfunction and receive return value from subfunction to main function. These four are categories of user defined function. Thank you.